got Malcolm, you got KFC, you got Shell, all over there. This is the first one. The developer is from the UK, and it's come to Ghana and it's developed 3 houses.
Oh, thank you. Nice
So
to meet you. No matter
ones.
what's that mean?
All right. So we're going to see
What
3
does it
houses.
mean?
One is completed. The other 2 are due to complete.
First one.
Yeah? So let's have a look and see. Through the back, yeah? Okay, so we're going to use the side because they're working at the front there. So you have your AC, your double glaze, your netting for mosquitoes so you can have normal breeze. So this is the kitchen area, guys. This is what you have. It's the kitchen fittings are from the UK, from Howdens. So you've got your gas hob here. You've got your built-in microwave here. You've got your wine cooler as well here. Yeah, you got your wine cooler. So this place is just being finished off. It's not finished completely. It's just being finished off. So it's locked, yeah. So this is the 3rd bedroom. Yes, the bathroom, sorry. It's a nice bathroom. This place is from Netherlands.
Oh!
Yes,
Wow.
that she's selling. So you have your dining area, your living area. So all bedrooms have en suite. Yeah. Clive, what do you think?
Oh, it's nice. It's big.
Yeah, it's bigger, yeah? Yeah, the here and a plot here.
Somebody else there also.
Yeah, Africa here, yes, there's some issues with communication, with this, with that, but you can build up your own place. You can do your own thing. I couldn't do something like this in the UK. It's good. It's right.
If you buy one, they're gonna
Cut one. Yeah, they can cut it for you.
Yeah.
This is not Europe.
Let me taste.
What? Nice.
Taste one.
Yeah, man. Wow.
You said it's green, is it right? Oh, look at this. This is nice. The brothers.
We have the same thing in Suriname.
Yeah,
They
that's what Jeff was telling me. That's what Jeff was telling me.
And we also drink it like this.
Oh, you're drinking calabash, yeah? So you were the same people.
Yeah.
The same
But
people.
only we make it, the natives make it with cassava.
Ah,
You make it with
with palm.
You know how?
Outside of your home, you can use that area. You've got Wi-Fi and things like that accessible there. And you've got a communal area there as well. So it's really, really good. So it's almost home away from home or office away from home kind of thing. So it's really, really good. The grounds are always kept immaculate, clean and maintained and so forth. So yeah. Guys, this is the swimming pool that you have over here, which is really good. You also have a changing room directly over there, and behind you is a clubhouse, which can be used as a business center or event center. You just book it in when you're ready. Just let the staff know. Yeah, this is where we had an event. They had an event the other day. People that were cooking, chefs or waitresses and things like that, where they can utilize the kitchen area at the back there as well. So it's really, really quite good. And then you've got some other office spaces as well. So if you want to work away from your house, maybe you've got a family, visitors, but you still have to work, you can come over here and use one of the offices and then do your work from here. Each house, you
we'll do the air conditioning. We do the kitchen for you. So we'll do the stove extractor, microwave, oven, fridge, and then central water heating to the bathrooms and the bedrooms. And it has another balcony too, in addition to the walk-in.
So there you have it, our Holland to Ghana tour. Now, who's next? If you like what you've seen and you want to jump on board, contact us. Our details are below. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, guys, take care of yourselves and each other.